It's Euro time in Cordoba. Pero nasa Tano Heights holiday. Ako pa nag 2 kilometers. Grabe kalimuot ko lang hangin. Your turn. Grabe ka. So another 5 kilometers for today. So I'm done. Look at the view. And view. Hindi talaga. It's refreshing, no? Hindi ka magkaganda. Although gabi ingit-ngit na ikwan area nga walay suga in the middle, so you need to be careful kay daghan naman kay balita diri nga atangan or anything, so just be careful lang pag dagan ka diri og gabi. So this is the view on the side and it